All right, so let me get this straight.
Yeah.
You're thinking about moving your knowledge online,
Mm-hmm.
taking the leap into the world of webinars with Event Anywhere.
Great platform, great platform.
Yeah, you've come to the right place. We're diving deep into how to make the absolute most out of it,
Love it.
making sure webinar isn't just good, but seriously stands out from the crowd.
Absolutely got to stand out.
Right. So first things first, Event Anywhere, got to say. They've made setting things up incredibly easy.
Oh, for sure. User-friendly, definitely.
No, but, and this is crucial,
Yeah.
don't mistake that simplicity for, lack of power, because the customization, amazing.
Absolutely. Customization is key.
All about branding, right?
Right. You want to make it your own.
Making your event page truly yours with all the details, the schedule.
That first impression is everything.
Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree. Okay, so you've got your page set up. Now let's talk about where the real action happens, the live stage.
The heart of the webinar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is where you present, where you engage. And get this, they have automatic session recording.
Oh, yeah. Gotta have that these days. It's almost an expectation.
It's huge, right? Not just for people who missed it, but think about repurposing that content.
Absolutely. Turn that Q&A into a blog post, social media snippets. Get the most out of it.
Exactly. Okay, ready to take it up another notch? Let's talk about the networking session feature.
Networking. Essential.
Right. And it's not just your typical chat room.
No, it's got to be more sophisticated than that now.
Exactly. Imagine like AI-powered matchmaking, connecting attendees based on their interests, their goals.
It's all about replicating those valuable hallway conversations you get at in-person events,
Bringing back that spontaneity, but in a virtual space.
and making it even more effective.
And speaking of bringing things to life, they have this awesome feature, a virtual Expo Hall.
Oh, I love that. It's genius.
Right. Sponsors get their own interactive booths, attendees can explore, connect.
It adds another dimension to the event, keeps things engaging, mimics that real-life expo experience.
It's brilliant. Okay, and you know what else is brilliant?
What's that?
Data.
Data is king.
But not just any data. Event Anywhere gives you the good stuff. We're talking attendance, engagement, heck, even drop-off rates during specific parts of your presentation.
Yeah. Knowing when people are losing interest, that's gold. Helps you refine your content, your delivery.
Exactly. Make it better next time, right?
The continuous improvement.
And here's the kicker. You can even download attendee emails. Send them personalized follow-ups, recordings, whatever you need.
It's about building those relationships.
Keeping that momentum going.
Exactly.
It doesn't just end when the webinar ends.
Nope, it's just the beginning.
See, and the best part is, Event Anywhere isn't just for one-off webinars. This thing can scale. Multi-day conferences, multi-track summits, they've got you covered.
It's like having separate streams of content, just like different session halls at a real conference, all happening at the same time, but seamlessly within their platform.
It's pretty incredible when you think about it.
It really is.
And it kind of makes you wonder, right? With platforms as powerful and flexible as Events Anywhere, what's the future of virtual events? How can we go beyond just replicating in-person events and create experiences that are truly unique, truly engaging in their own right? Something to think about, right?
Lots to think about. The possibilities are pretty much endless.